Welcome to Solar Astrogram. So today's video is about the most important topic. Is very important for each and everybody. Uh, the topic is the marriage compatibility and one of the point in marriage compatibility. Okay, so I think most of you have heard about the Yoni Pantana. Yoni Pantana is the we see for bridegroom and bride, both for them, how the marital life will be there, how the sexual life will be there for the both of them, for the husband and wife, how the sexual life will be there. So which is very important nowadays because of the present situations and all. Everybody have tend to have most of them have a strong desire towards the to the physical biological requirements and all. So, and one of the most important thing we need to observe, because why I have taken this topic is because I have seen in my consultations also, most of the rejections, like most of the divorce which I am seeing, is only because of the major prominent thing is only because of the unmarital life, for the sexual desires and all, they are not met. The biological desires are not been met by the partners. Okay, so that's the reason I've taken this topic. It's not weird to anybody, because it's a biological requirement, each and everybody by nature, because prakriti and purusha, see, we are in prakriti. So purusha and prakriti, these both are interlinked with each other to have a very good environment. Okay, so to have a very good environment, this purusha and prakriti should be with a strong combination where they mingle with each other, and the whatever the basic instincts are there, it should be very strong enough. So one of the most important is the Yoni Pantana. Okay, so this Yoni Pantana, how you need to see this Yoni Pantana, I will not show you any table or such, because you need to see the Panchanga for this. Okay, if you have the Panchanga at your home, or you can see it on the online also. So when you see the marriage compatibility, see that the similar Yoni Pantana means, I will tell you an example. Say suppose, example I am taking you. One nakshatra, that say suppose Bharani nakshatra is there and the Revati nakshatra is there. Bharani nakshatra, the Yoni is the elephant, and for Revati nakshatra, the Yoni is elephant. So these both will match together, because they are similar animals, so similar kind of animal, so they will have the more affinity or more attachment towards the both. Okay, so like this you need to not to match the enmity of the yonis. There should be a friendly between the two yonis. Okay, then only their marital life will be very favorable and very very good marital life will be there, and they will be happy with whatever they are having. Okay, this is very important to see the Yoni Pantana when the marriage compatibility is seen. This is one of the factor which I am telling you. It's not everything, but this is one of the major factor which I found it very important for the compatibility. Because what will happen is, this Yoni Pantana is not good, then what will happen is they will not be satisfied in the life, and they take up different opportunities to fulfill their desires. This is where all the disputes will start. Okay, that's the reason I've taken this thing. Okay, I think you understand my view. why I have taken this thing. And for this, what is the remedy for this? So the most important comes here. What is the remedy for this? If at all, okay, we have already done. So what we need to do to further to enhance our relationships and to have a very good marital life? Then you need to do, what you need to do is, in the bedroom, you need to keep a poster of the same yonis, that say suppose, as I taken an example of Bharani Nakshatra and the Revati Nakshatra, the both are the same animals, that is the elephant. Say suppose you are matched with, you are competitor, you have married with a person who is having a different yoni and which is not a friendly yoni. Okay, unfriendly yoni is it's like a snake and rat. Okay, cat and dog. These are the animals you find it in the panchangas for the different nakshatras. Okay, so this compatibility, there should be no enmity between both, and if at all it is same, then it's very excellent. Okay, the same unipantana is very prominent, we can find. Okay, so what you need to do is take one of the most important in the partners. You take who is having the strongest desire, who is having the strong desire. Take their yoni pantana and keep that poster at your bedroom, and it should be a two, it should be a couple. Like if suppose if one of the partner is having a yoni pantana of elephant, then you need to put two elephant symbols, like two animal postures in your bedroom, so that your marital life will be very good. So suppose two, if one is having snake and one is having rat. Okay, say suppose two different things are there, then it is a completely different, where they will not match to each other. Then what you need to do is, you need to keep a two snake symbol in your bedroom, like a poster, like small poster, like. Then what will happen is, you will get to union with both, and you will have a marital life, very happy marital life. But it will take long time, at least it will take 48 days to get the result for this. Okay, you can test it, but it has worked, because whom I have seen the problematic relationship in these factors, which are the biological factors, which is a predominant in everybody in this Kali Yuga. So you can use this technique, or you can use this remedy to overcome this kind of problem. Okay, and there is one more remedy also, which is the Vedic remedy, which everybody can follow. Like you happen to visit to the Shiva temple, Lord Shiva temple, there you can find exactly opposite to, exactly at the front of Lord Shiva, Nandi will be there, Nandi the bull. Okay, there you can in his ears you can prompt that our relation should be very good, our wife and husband relation should be very good, and there should be no dispute between both of us. Okay, like that also you can pass on the request of your problem to the Lord Nandi, who is exactly opposite to the Lord Shiva, so that he will pass on the information to Lord Shiva. Then your problem will get solved. Okay, this is one of the excellent remedy, which is been followed in the traditional Vedic method of uniting two couples. Okay, and I hope this information is very important to everybody, and you can share to your near and dear, or anybody who is seeing the compatibility as of now, who is searching for the bridegroom or bride. You can share this information to them, so that they will get benefited out of that. Okay, and I will come out with more videos in the further sessions and all. Those who have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel. I'll come out with the rare techniques and all, because it's not a general thing which we can put it in the YouTubes and all. So it should be a very informative informative thing so that the knowledge can be shared to everybody. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.